In Grace Communion International, we believe in high support, high challenge, and grace always. Consisting of 3 programs, GCI provides on-ramps for emerging leaders to explore a call to ministry and help them grow in their leadership skills to serve in ministry. The Orchard is a project-based mentoring program for discovering or developing a ministry calling. The Internship Program is a hands-on church ministry experience for those interested in exploring ministry leadership in GCI. The Pastoral Resident Program is a hands-on pastoral ministry experience for those who have discerned a calling to pursue pastoral leadership in GCI. At Grace Communion International, we desire to develop, equip, and send a new generation of emerging leaders to join Jesus in advancing the gospel message.